Yeah, yo tsonga ka yena wa nyanga zokomisa. Hey, say khalo mani mtsemse video leya Solly Makamu. Karhi munhu u tshama ri ku jikajikeni a endla swin'wana na swin'wanyana, but anyways a swi lavi n'wina leswiya. I ti-excuse ta mina ni ri wexe sorry. A tshemba mi ni rivalanga. N'wina se subscribe-aku kombela mi subscribe. So namuntlha hi vulavula hi vutlhari bya Solly Makamu, ku vutlhari bya yena musicini byi le kwihi, u tlhari hi yini Solly Makamu. Why vanhu va regard Solly Makamu as a genius of Xitsonga music, as a genius of current electro music? First of all, creativity ya munhu it depends hi ku hi xihi lexi nga more connected to yena. Let me give you an example. Vo community xigevenga va kha va teka switori swa le byaleni va endla tinsimu. That's where their creativity led. Va Dr. Thomas Chauke va teka ti-experiences ta le mimitini va fika va endla tinsimu. About the legs of Ben Mengani, as he claims, but like language le xitarateni leswi vulavulaka ku xitarateni leswi rhandzaka xitarateni va endla tinsimu. So Solly Makamu is more connected to youth, and youth is more connected through social networks. So creativity ya Solly Makamu lies in social networks. Yeah. I did a video at like previously when I said most of Solly Makamu's content comes from Facebook posts and everything. I wasn't wrong. I wasn't trying to push anyone. I wasn't trying to provoke anyone. It's where his creativity lies. Matimba ma yena ma la ku teka leswi vantshwa va nga swi experienceaku, leswi vantshwa va swi tsalaku and at the same. A swi simple sweswo, loko swi ri simple everyone will be doing it, but that's where his creativity lies. So Solly Makamu revolves around certain things, you know. He speaks more about himself, he speaks more about his life. And vutomi bya Solly Makamu is a typical 35-year-old, 34-year-old or middle-aged man loyi a zama ku humelela, a lava ku humelela. It's more like Matsobemuda, but in a very new age way. Loko mo yingisela tinsimu ta yena vulavula timhaka to decisions leti a nga teka loko a ri ntsongo, ti n'wi leti ka vusiwana kumbexani mhaka ku u teki ngopfu attention ya nyiketa music and all this kind of stuff. That's where his music lies. That's where his creativity lies. That's what Solly Makamu tells us each and every song, sing in, song out. You know? Secondly, relationships. Timhaka ta mjolo. Solly Makamu u vulavula ngopfu hi mjolo. No mo yingisela timhaka ta loko a vulavula hi vavasati. A vulavula hi vavasati, nga vulavuli hi n'wansati in general without relationships. U fane a vulavula hi n'wansati in a relationship, so it falls under relationship. It is art ya yena, i art ya yena swa vavasati, and his anti-women. The very way sandleni a hi vitanaku timbyana i sandleni wa vavanuna Solly Makamu. That's where his creativity lies. A ku yimbelela hi ti-ex na ku yimbelela hi ku teka decisions to ka ti nga tsakisi vanhu van'wanyana leti tsakisaka yena n'winyi. Xa vunharhu, Solly Makamu is more interested in genge, ku twisa genge moya ku vava, genge leyi n'wi zondaku, valala vantshwa and all this kind of stuff. That's where his creativity lies. This guy is a genius, and I think as Vatsonga, we owe him that much. Kwaba hard work yo tlula Solly Makamu ka music wa Xitsonga, kwaba hard work yo tlula Solly Makamu ka entertainment ya Vatsonga. Solly Makamu MC, Solly Makamu i performing artist, Solly Makamu comedian, Solly Makamu actor, Solly Makamu editor, Solly Makamu producer, Solly Makamu director, Solly Makamu i comedian. And it's to minongeta mara no vula ku Solly Makamu has done all those things, and as you get the same equal dedication, who can do that? Loko n'wanyana a endla swin'wana no salisa swin'wana ndzhaku, but with Solly Makamu u swi rhangisa hinkwaswo emahlweni. So this guy is a genius. He's a genius. He's a hardworking machine. And like he's an animal ka music wa Xitsonga, is an animal ka entertainment ya Vatsonga, which hi mhaka ku hina loko munhu a ti nyiketela ngopfu ka hina se hi sungula ku n'wi exploit, se voni nkoka wa yena. But Solly Makamu is one guy loko ni tshame hansi, I feel like as vaseketeri va music wa Xitsonga, as we owe it to that guy. We owe it to that guy. I love him like too much. Is one of those who are very close to my heart because of his hard work. The way I really sucks on Xitsonga. So I'm getting very emotional. But anyways, the whole main aim of this video, I wanted to break down his genius. This genius i language I vulavulaka loko a kha yimbelela tinsimu, mapakelo ma tinsimu. mapakele ya tinsimu loko ma fika ku na risimu rin'wana swilo leswi a swi ringani vuton'wi swin'wanyana swa va fambela swa vona mi tswalelo xibedhlele na van'wana hi tswalelo kaya mi va mabodhlele hina lavan'wana hi mama na hina ka hi kone that song it's a hit. Leswiya swo munhu a rhanga hlamusela ku hi nga beburiwa tindhawini to hambana hi tlhela hi va na ti-childhood experiences to hambana, but that doesn't limit us ku loko hi kula hi va ka the same greatness. It speaks to the poor. It speaks to the poor. U vulavula na lava hluphekaku ku va swi twisisa ku this is just a temporary situation. U vulavula na lava nga vaviseka va swi twisisa ku this is a temporary situation, swi nga cinca. And a nga vulavuli as munhu loyi a nga humelela, is not giving motivation as someone who's already successful. Na u nyika motivation as someone who's la nga ka the same situation as you, la ngo na mina ta humelela siku rin'wana ni nga fuma mina mi tlhe mi nga tshembi ku hi mina hi hlambanyisa nje hi vutsongwana. That's the kind of guy that Solly Makamu is. Absolute genius. That's why very now overrate and all this kind of stuff, but that's nonsense. Allow me to say that that's nonsense. This guy is a genius. He knows what to say, when to say, how to say it. He's matured musically. Timing, arrangements, the vocals, the amount of time and dedication he gives to his vocals. I instead record Solly Makamu. Loko u yingisela music wa Solly Makamu wa swi twa ku le one project nga va yi through 2 to 3 weeks. In terms of days, he's one of the greatest. He's one of the greatest musicians that have set foot aka industry ya Vatsonga. But anyways, Vatsonga hi lava sweswiya swo support vo swi endla n'wano a ndzami ku rhuketela van'wanyana, but I'm saying there's a certain level kind of music which deserves more respect than a certain level. That turn-ups are good, but kuna music wa dyondzo lowu fa value. Music is art. Music speaks to people. Music touches people. Mustn't allow us to be touched. Yeah, sans at say na linga to difference of tongue and ingo it is a lanzak for that certain moment. Let's listen to this guy. Let's support this guy. Let's buy his music. Let's make sure he's booked at the events. Solly Makamu is one of the greatest. I know I was supposed to be breaking down his how he writes his music and everything, but I got carried away because I felt like I had to say this to Vatsonga. Mi va shengi va Solly Makamu bakulu vo n'wina, mi va lololoti. But anyways, mga rivali ku subscribe. You can see listen hi vonile nghene ka 4,000 subscribers. Ni busy hi January mi ta tiphina. I'm covering a lot of shows. Probably gonna post them January. Kula ava twa nga December hi nandzihi va ta swi vona kahle kwalawana. You can see